Feature 1, with PLC control system. This die casting machine has PLC control system. Next let me show you electricity box and check the PLC. Our die casting machine adopts Omron PLC control system, so it is easier to be controlled and work more stable. Feature 2, bigger nitrogen cylinder. Our machine is using 1.6 liters cylinder instead of 1.0 liters. Our nitrogen cylinder is bigger and more stable to provide and adjust pressure while machine is working. Pressure and power of machine is sufficient to die casting products perfectly. Just like the car, pump up the tires hard before going out on the road, so your car can run faster. Feature 3, 5-point locking mold model. Our die casting machines is locking the mold from 5 points instead of traditional 4-point model. Tie bars and spare parts of machine can be protected well and more durable in this updated locking mold model. Furthermore, it can extend the working life of mold too. As we all know, machine is working under high temperature, so the cooling system is very important too. The oil will flow to 0.4 cubic meters per minute from this pipe, so our cooling device is updated to decrease its oil temperature accordingly. Compared with the traditional cooling device of 1.6 cubic meters per minute, our cooling effect is better and more efficient. Besides, the wearing parts of machine, such as oil pipe and sealing ring, will not be damaged in a stable temperature, so the frequency of replacing wearing parts will be reduced as well. Our die casting machine will be operating more than 4 hours for testing the pressure before shipment. We have to ensure clamping force of 4 bars is okay before shipment, so we will fix test sensor on each bar for testing pressure. The sensors will show pressure value for each bar directly. Next we will check its pressure balance from these 4 values to confirm all bars are okay or not. Besides, the total pressure value of this machine will be showed in the middle of sensor. For example, this is 25T die casting machine, so its mold clamping force has to more than 25. If not, the machine needs to be adjusted and tested again. We have to ensure machine is 100% workable before shipment.